Video. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are on part 4, I believe. Let's get started. We are with Angel Kiss. Ooh. It's supposed to be silent though. That's pretty. This one was one of my favorites last year because I think it was beautiful. This one's one of my personal favorites.
Oh look how it blows out. I see why they're calling it Angel.
That's just other fireworks in the background, guys, if you hear that.
Yeah,
I've heard the next one up is really good. The people who learn the fireworks, they say the next one up is good. It's called Purple Rain. If I do a next one. Okay. Guys, we are with Purple Rain. I heard this one is really, really, really good.
Okay, then. Don't.
Ooh. Here, let's see if you guys can. I hope the camera will focus on it because it looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks beautiful in real life. I think it gets loud in a second. Okay, well I see. Oh, never mind.